Ano na guys, it's been a while. So, eto ang latest video natin. Please enjoy our trip to Turkey. Ayan, at ginutom na nga ang lola nyo dahil kakagaling lang natin sa night shift. Diretso tayo sa airport para i-catch ang ating walwalan. So, kain muna kami habang naghihintay. Touchdown. Look at that. It's currently, anong oras na? 9 p.m. in Istanbul Airport. 4 hours flight. So, nakuha na namin yung bag namin here. So, punta na kami sa meeting point para i-meet yung transfer namin from the airport papunta sa hotel namin. Hi ka naman, hi. So, papunta sa hotel, nakita namin tong Hagia Sophia. Sobrang lapit sa hotel namin. Our hotel. Room 703. This is our room. Let's close the door. So, ito yung toilet. It's very simple. Check out my little bunny. I don't know why we have extra bed. We didn't request that, but anyway. And then we have double bed. Simple room. Ito yung currency nila.
Do you know who this is?
No. Who's that?
He's father of Turkey. He's called Atatürk.
There you go. Trivia, guys. Trivia. Did you hear that?
He's the founder of Republic of Turkey and served as the first president after he defeated Ottoman Empire after World War I, and he also found out all the European colonization attempts.
See, guys, that came from me. That information came from me, okay? So, that's the currency. Ayan na nga. So, dahil medyo late na, almost midnight, and gutom kami. So, naghanap kami ng food. Yung hotel namin took us for a ride para i-recommend yung some restaurants na still open at the time. So, golf car yun, guys. Hinatid kami ng hotel namin dito sa street na to. Diyan daw kami aakyat. Madami daw restaurant dyan. Pero, check this out. Go. I don't know what that is. I think that's the Sophia something. It's a mosque. That's for sure. We're going to find some food. It's almost 12 o'clock. Pero tignan nyo naman. Dami-dami pang tao. Cute yun, oh. Yung mga carpet yung mga display. And then we'll check out. Sabi niya, ni-recommend niya yung Croissant Restaurant. Croissant? Ay, ganda, oh. Oh. Saan ka pa? Magkano kaya yan? Adonin Kebab and Grill. Sana ganito rin sa atin, no, sa UK. Yung lalabas ka lang. Oh, okay. Ito yung sinasabi niya. Croissant. Croissani pala. Croissant. So, yun yung recommend niya. Pero, let's keep walking. Let's tignan lang natin. Oh, it's a Michelin restaurant. Okay. So, nakapunta na ako sa Greece. Medyo nakaka-Greece yung vibe niya. But, I think slightly more lively. For 12 a.m. So, yung ni-recommend niya, guys, ay, how much star? Oh,
She has 3 Michelin.
3 Michelin stars. So, baka masarap talaga yun. Ang tanong, magkano kaya doon? Hindi, ayaw mo na mayaman tayo. Okay, we're gonna get some food. So, binigyan kami guys nito puff bread, Turkish bread, with some butter and feta cheese. Breakfast na guys. Yeah. Ayan, so sobrang gutom kagabi, hindi na nga tayo nakapag-video, pero sobrang sarap ng food. So, eto, breakfast na tayo. So, breakfast na tayo guys, by the view. Ayan, so after ng breakfast, talaga namang nagsulit na kaming maglakad dahil meron lang kaming few hours dito sa Istanbul. So, libre to. Dito yung Blue Mosque or Sultan Ahmet Mosque. Pero dahil nga kulang sa time, nag-book na kami ng tour guide para lang malaman din namin yung history and culture dito sa Istanbul. So, worth it naman siya.
Guys.
So, Old Bazaar na tayo. Actually, nakaka-impress din siya.
For mothers.
Relax tea. Flowers, not dried flowers? No.
Do you want to buy some? Small bag? Tea?
Ito na nga guys, yung sinasabi nilang busog na busog. Eucalyptus tea.
This is good for here.
Yes, it's really good.
Yani, I have my home like this. When you sick, you can drink this ones. This is good for here.
Yeah. Try this.
Hindi kami makadecide guys kasi bigay sila ng bigay. Ayan oh, budol. Nabudol na tayo. May Aladdin na. So, talk about silver spoon. There you go.
Oh, this is sterling silver.
Wala tayong pambili niyan guys. So, ito yung mga pinatikim nila sa amin this one. Meron tayong mango, apple, pomegranate, butterfly tea, and rose tea.
Just see how.
May mga spice. Ito mga fresh tea, spices, and Turkish delights. So, bumili tayo niyan guys for mother. Ayan o. Sila na gumawa. Lakad lang kami dito sa Grand Bazaar. Kanina pa kami nawawala. Kasi paikot-ikot lang. Para siyang maze. Pabalik-balik kami kung saan kami galing. Tsaka guys, nabudol na kami ng tea. May pinasukan kami. Tapos, binigyan kami ng napakadaming nuts, chocolates, Turkish delights. Tapos maya-maya, kinikilo na. Pabayad na lang kami. Pumili kami ng relaxed tea. Pero, stressed price, no?
No, it's not that expensive. It's just that I got used to calculation from Lira to pounds. So.
Pero yan, may mga magaganda silang mga lamp. Yung ate ko, binila niya ako. So, may ganyan ako sa house. So, we'll just keep going.
Just take.
Yes, now.
Ayan, so natapos na nga yung Blue Mosque tour natin at saka nakapaglakad na rin kami sa Grand Bazaar. Nakapag-shopping ng very light. So, yan, ini-enjoy lang namin yung scenery, but that ends our time here in Istanbul. So, lakad na kami pabalik sa hotel to catch our Cappadocia plane ride.